Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Edit's transition tracking handles. Now to use this feature, you simply have to open your Edit application on your device. Once you do so, head to this project option from your bottom navigation bar. Then select the ongoing project or just start new by simply tapping this plus icon. I'll be selecting the ongoing project, and to use this tracking handles, what you can do is simply pinch on your main video track, as you can see. Now as you pinch and zoom in, the video will now simply turn into frame. A single frame can be edited from here. Now if you want to put in a transition, you simply have to tap on this horizontal bar over here or this vertical bar. Now once you tap on it, you should be able to apply the transitions to your video. You can select any of the presets over here. Go ahead and select one, then tap tick mark or this OK mark, and you should be able to transition your video from like this, from that to another. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.